In the Loopshore Cloud Service admin, a device is linked to a room through an installation. Only then do its measurements appear in the right space. A device's measurements appear in a room only once it's installed there. In the location tree, a gray device icon means the room has no active installation yet. The device icon opens the room's installation history. This room has no installations yet. You add an installation through the device search. Find the device by its ID selected and set the installation time, which defaults to now. When you confirm the installation, the row shows as active and the room's measurement data starts to build up. When the device moves out of the room, you end the installation from the same view. The history is kept, so you can always see where and when a device was installed. That's how you install and end a device installation explorer, the Loopshore Cloud Service at loopshore.com.